Preschoolers, I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about plants and what plants need to grow. Our job is going to be able to say the 4 things a plant needs to grow. So I want you to think about our classroom. If you remember, we had several plants in our classroom, and the botanist was the person whose job it was to water the plants. So an adult who is a botanist is somebody who grows plants and who knows about plants, and a lot of them are able to help plants when plants get sick. But for today, we want to talk about the 4 things a plant would need to grow. The botanist in our classroom has a classroom job. Think about what that classroom job is. The botanist in our room waters the plants. So we know that in our classroom, plants need, what's this one? That's right, water. Plants need water to grow. And so, because a plant is indoors, it's not getting rain from outside or any kind of water from outside. So we have to take care of it by giving it water, not every day, but several times a week. And so in our classroom, that's the job of the botanist. So that's one thing that a plant needs to grow, water. What else does a plant need to grow? I think if you're looking at my chart here, you're probably able to see something. There's another thing a plant needs to grow, and that's light. Now, on my chart, it says sunshine for a plant that's outside, but plants that are inside need some kind of light. Often, when you have a plant inside, you put it by a window so that it gets light through the window. It gets sunlight or light through a window for its light source. Plants outside get sunlight, and we're going to be growing some plants, and I have a grow light for those plants so that they get light, and we'll talk about that when you see the plants that we're going to grow. So that's 2 things. So far we know 2 things a plant needs to grow: sunshine and water. What else does a plant need to grow? A plant is always planted in something. What are plants planted in? Are you thinking? If you're thinking soil or dirt or the ground, you're right. Plants need soil to grow. Do you know why plants need soil to grow? Think about that for a second. What would be in the soil or the dirt or the ground that the plants need to grow? Nutrients. It's their food. The same way humans need food to live and grow, plants need food to live and grow. Plants get their nutrients or their food from the soil, from the ground or the dirt, their soil. So now we know 3 things a plant needs to grow: sunshine, water, soil for nutrients. One more. It's kind of hard to tell what that one is down here, but plants breathe air just like humans do. We have to have air to live. We get something called oxygen out of the air, and that's how we live. Plants also need air to live. They don't breathe necessarily the same way we do, but they do take oxygen from the air, and then they use that to grow. It helps them in something called photosynthesis that we're not going to talk about today, but plants need air to grow just like humans do. As a matter of fact, if you think about people and plants, we need all the same things to live and grow. People need water. If we don't have water, we won't live. If plants don't have water, they won't live. We need air. Plants need air. We will die without air, and so would plants. We need nutrients. Now, lucky us, we don't have to eat dirt. We get our nutrients from food, and plants get their nutrients from the soil. They eat dirt. And light, sunshine. It is people who live in places where they don't get a lot of light. They have to get a lot of sunlight. They have to get light somewhere else. Children, especially, and adults need light from the sun to grow and to be healthy. If we don't get enough light, we are not healthy. So, what do plants need to grow? Sunshine, water, soil, and air. 4 things to grow. So along with this lesson today, I'm going to send a video for you to watch about what plants need to grow. And then I'm going to do some planting, and I'm going to videotape that so you can watch me. And then every couple days I'll take a video of what we planted so we can see it growing. And maybe, hopefully, when we're back together again at school, I'll bring it all to school and we can watch it every day. So bye preschoolers, I hope to see you soon.